Welcome to Mushroom Solutions, where innovation meets automation to redefine the future. With DocuGenX, every document becomes a gateway to structured and meaningful data. Our platform effortlessly extracts and processes information from various sources, empowering you to create compelling content tailored to your needs. With our invoice creation by RPA bot, businesses can step into the future of streamlined operations. Our solution empowers businesses to streamline invoice generation processes, reduce manual errors, and achieve results-focused objectives. Mushroom's AI and ML capabilities are catalysts for transformation across industries, serving sectors as diverse as healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and more. Our conversational AI solutions enable seamless interaction between systems and users, enhancing customer experiences and operational efficiency. At Mushroom Solutions, we are dedicated to pioneering innovative automation solutions tailored specifically for clinical trials. Our comprehensive suite of services is meticulously crafted to optimize and elevate every facet of clinical trial operation. Mushroom's knowledge management solution builds a graph of enterprise knowledge, enabling intuitive querying using human-like language. By preparing and annotating data in various forms, including structured and unstructured, we unlock valuable insights for your business. Empower your business with our specialized machine learning model development services. Our team of experienced data scientists and engineers is dedicated to creating bespoke models tailored to your unique objectives. With Mushroom Docs GPT, our generative AI services empower organizations to harness the power of language generation. From creating and summarizing text documents to enhancing productivity and decision-making, our advanced solutions revolutionize content generation. Mushroom presents an innovative solution with its cutting-edge synthetic test data generation service, revolutionizing testing processes while safeguarding data privacy and adhering to regulatory requirements. Supercharge your company's infrastructure with Mushroom's proactive monitoring solution. Our advanced algorithms and machine learning predict and prevent incidents before they happen through historical data analysis, real-time alerts, and actionable insights. Embrace the future of machine learning with Mushroom Solutions Federated Learning Service. Empower your organization to make data-driven decisions without compromising on security. At Mushroom Solutions, we understand the power of informed decisions. Whether it's personalized product recommendations or tailored solutions, our AI-driven system ensures that you're always one step ahead in your journey. Dominate the digital landscape with Mushroom's Search Engine Optimization (SEO) solution. Crafted with precision and performance in mind, our innovative platform revolutionizes your SEO strategies, ensuring your online content stands out in a competitive market.
To find out more about how Mushroom Solutions can help your company, contact us and visit our website.